body, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody.
Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Briwave, as you can see. This is my first YouTube video, so can clap for me, you know what I'm saying? Like, please subscribe. So today I am doing tape-ins on my hair. Now, these tape-ins turned out wonderfully. Like, you're going to see the process. It definitely was a process. So let me tell you about this hair right here. This hair was the bomb, like fresh out the pack, you know, as you can see. Like, the tape-ins came with like 20 pieces of hair. I got I believe a 24 inch and a 18, I believe. But yeah, you can see. So this was a struggle. Like, I did this on myself with no help. You know, I couldn't see. The mirror that I had was in front of me, but I mean, like, I can't see the back of my head, so how I'm gonna do that? So, you know, like, I'm just preparing my hair, you know, parting it out into sections. So when you're parting the hair out, you want to leave out basically the perimeter of your hair. Like, you don't want the tape-ins to show, like, where you don't want the sticky part to show, basically. So you want to, like, leave out all around your perimeter, in the back, in the front, on the sides. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm just taking out hair on the sides. And that was definitely a struggle, y'all. Like, don't ever do tape-ins yourself at home if you ain't got nobody there to help you, or if you ain't got nobody that knows, like, how to do hair there to help you at least a little bit. Like, my sister is trying to help me part, but she don't know how to do hair. So yeah, this is definitely a struggle, y'all. But y'all see how, like, I parted out the back? That's basically my perimeter. And right now, I'm just taking, like, the little section. My sister's helping me part that section, make sure it's straighter. But basically, you just take that little section right there, and that's where you're going to be attaching your tape-ins. So I'm attaching the first tape-ins to that little section. I took a little piece of my hair from that section, taking it off. You take off that blue strip, it reveals the tape, and you want to put it at the top of the hair, the piece that you're trying to attach it to. So I put it at the top, and I put one at the bottom as well. That first one I messed up on, but you're gonna see some other ones that I do correctly. So this one should be correct. You put it at the top of your hair, and make sure you put it very close to your scalp, because if you don't, like, you definitely gonna feel it tugging. So I put it close to my scalp, pressed it down. And then I just lift it up. After I lift it up, I make sure I'm trying to place the second one exactly where I put the first one. Like, it needs to meet, it needs to stick together, and my hair needs to be in between it. So just pressing all of those together so it could be flat. And you know what? Like, I've seen people, like, flat iron that, and the instructions for this hair, like, said you're not supposed to flat iron it. But I was confused. Like, very confusing process. You know, I'm definitely gonna probably go to somebody next time. But Bro, I was struggling so much right here. Like, that's really hard to do, like, just parting your own hair. You can't even see. Like, I was literally doing this blindly, y'all, blindly. That little mirror was helping, but at the same time, just, it ain't the same. See, it's not. But I basically, like, just kept doing it all the way up until I got to the middle of my head, which is that part at the top that I'm almost to. But yeah, let me tell you a little bit about this hair, a little bit more. This hair is from Suyya, and if you type in Suyya on Amazon, it would come up, Suyya extensions. It was, I believe I paid like $250 for 3 packs. I will definitely put everything in the description below, the price and everything like that, and the link to it. But the hair, y'all, it's decent hair when it's bomb. When you know, like when you first have these extensions, it's bomb. But over time, I will say, this hair definitely will get tangled. This hair definitely is not the best hair in America. Like, not good for long-term use. So I'm basically done with the back. So what you're gonna do is just part your middle part. And I'd say, like, what I did was, I like when middle part's the inside, so I parted like the middle part and a side part. But yeah, just part the middle part first though, because you're gonna wanna like part out your perimeter as I'm doing now. Make sure that that's out of the way. So you can go ahead and put those tape ends like inside of that perimeter. And you want to make sure you do a decent amount too, because I will say that these tape ends, like, you can see them in my hair. It's not like very, very full, so sometimes I would see like the tape ends through my hair, but that's why I say you definitely want to make sure you part out a good amount of hair to cover those tape ends. So I'm just basically doing the same thing I did in the bag, just took that piece, and that's the piece that I'm going to be placing my tape ends on, my 2 tape ends. Basically 2 tape end pieces go on 1 piece of your actual hair. So each section you part out is going to be 2 on that little section of your hair. You can kind of see me doing it better now, since I can finally see y'all. Oh my god. Yup. See how it's at the top and the bottom. And make sure you place it very much near your scalp. And pressing it down, making sure your hair is sticking to that tape. Because if it's not, it's just going to be really uncomfortable. I'll say that. It's really uncomfortable. It's just constant tugging. And y'all, tape ends definitely take your hair out. You know how much hair came off my out of my scalp? Like, that is tape. So, you know, that's gonna pull your stuff. Also, when you're doing these sections of your hair, I'd say make sure those sections are small. Like, you don't want to part out a huge section to tape your tape ends to. Like, it needs to be thin so the two tape ends can stick together. Because if you have too much hair in between those two tape ends, it's not going to stick together and it's going to just fall out. So yeah, I'm basically almost done. Like, just got to do the other side. Hey, I'm rocking. Like, I'm ready. Ready to be done, because this was a struggle, my guy. Like, for sure. So I'm basically gonna do what I did on the other side over here. And y'all, this is where my side part was. Ignore that alfalfa little thing sticking up. Y'all, I could have braided off my hair. So that's another story. That's ridiculous. But I'm basically like done. Like, that's what it looks like with the side part. This is what it looks like with it up. It's cute or whatever. I've rarely wore it up, but I like the middle part better, definitely. That's the back, you know, you kind of see the tape ends, but, you know, that's how long it is on me. I'm 5'4", so that's how a 24-inch looks on me. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, it was doing the thing at the time. It was doing the thing, man. And that's how far it comes to. And you guys, that is the finished look. So I hope you guys like it. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys for watching. Y'all be blessed.